Before 1852, there was no word for boredom. Today, I feel like everyone suffers from them because they don't have anything productive to do. So to fill up their time, they will spend hours on social media every single day. But they could be using that time to improve their physical, financial, and mental strength. And because I know you're not that guy, next time you're bored, I'm going to show you 9 activities everyone should do, starting with improving your physical. Number 1, hack Parkinson's Law to burn fat 10 times faster. Parkinson's Law states that any task expands to fill the time that you gave it. So next time you're bored, you can use this law to become more shredded. First, I want you to look at your room and determine how long it's going to take you to clean it. For most, this can be a few hours. I want you to take that time and cut it in half, and then cut it in half again. Next, you will set a timer and you will try to clean your entire room with this new time that you have allowed for it. Remember, according to Parkinson's Law, you should be able to complete that task. Now, to boost this even more, you can choose to play music that has a high number of beats per minute, because according to a study by the National Library of Medicine, this can increase your physical performance. Now, according to research, the average person can burn around 154 calories an hour as they clean. But this is cleaning at a normal pace. You are cleaning much faster and more efficient. Therefore, in that time allotted, you will not only organize your room, you will also increase how much fat you're burning. Now think about this. You just improved your physical health by replacing one activity when you're bored. I have 8 more that will make you more attractive, richer, and mentally stronger. Number 2, triple your strength with the min-max method. Next time you're bored, I want you to implement this min-max method to get stronger. You see, according to a study by the National Library of Medicine, researchers instructed a group of men to perform 1 max set of bench press reps 3 times a week for 8 weeks. That's all they did. They basically maxed out reps 3 times a week, no other exercise. At the end of the trial, they observed equal, if not more, strength than the group that was performing high volume work on a daily basis. So I want you to use this exact efficient method for yourself. You can do this with any workout, pull-ups, squats, or push-ups. Then, when you wake up in the morning and you're bored, instead of reaching for your phone, I want you to get up and do 1 max set rep of whatever desired workout, whether that's pull-up or push-ups, all the way till failure. And then you will create a personal goal to beat yesterday's record every day you go for a set to failure. What you're gonna notice is that after a few weeks of doing this exercise, you will get stronger in the most efficient way possible. Number 3, build a grooming routine that makes you attractive. The grooming routine should focus on the one area that will increase your attractiveness more than anything else. It is the external layer of your skin. So the next time you're bored, I want you to do these 3 things and optimize how good your skin looks. First, I need you to stop using your hands to wash your face. See, according to studies, a person's hands can harbor more than 10 million different bacteria. This can cause acne, cysts, and ingrown hairs. Instead, I use a facial scrubber. It's a silicone bristle scrubber from PMD. The bristles are not only more effective, but also 100% hygienic as I wash it every time I use it on my face. Second, I want you to invest in blue light exposure. You see, if you truly want to impact the external layer of your skin, you need to penetrate deeper within your skin so your new skin grows in a healthy way. This is why blue light is so effective. As a matter of fact, in a specific study with 33 participants, 90% of them saw massive improvements on their skin by using blue light twice a day. I like the PMD because it's a 2-in-1, it's efficient, and it's been FDA cleared. And this takes us to the 3rd and most important step, add vibration therapy. You see, according to a study by the National Library of Medicine, vibration on the skin can increase blood circulation and collagen production. In the short term, that will make your skin look fuller, and in the long term, it will prevent wrinkles. And of course, the same wand that I use provides 7,000 vibrations a minute, giving you the optimal amount you need to stimulate that collagen production. If you haven't noticed yet, when you're bored, you usually have no motivation to do something. But with the 3 grooming steps I'm giving you, each of them provide a spa-like treatment that not only relaxes you, but also increases dopamine, or the pleasantness of doing the act, to motivate you to actually get through this. By the end of it, when you look at yourself in the mirror and see just how good your skin looks, you'll want to keep doing it again and again. You will no longer be bored. If you guys want to level up, this is the time to shop. Right now, PMD is having a great sale, making it the most affordable you'll ever find it. Also giving you a tool that will cure your boredom while also making you look attractive. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Now let's move on to activities that will make you money. Number 4, learn a new language to increase your earning potential. According to a study conducted by the Language Connection Foundation, learning a new language can boost your earning potential by 20%. Here's an easy way to pick a new language when you're feeling bored. First, you need to download some sort of learning application. A good free one is Duolingo. Next, you will put that language application at the bottom bar of your phone, making it easier to access and the first thing you see before you open up social media. Set a goal to learn that language at least 10 minutes a day. And to reinforce that habit, I want you to reward yourself with 10 minutes of something that could be more pleasurable, like being on social media. That way, you will train your brain to do the hard tasks to get the reward that you're looking for. 5, stop reading entire books to become rich. Everyone tells you that the secret to becoming rich is to read books. And they aren't wrong, because according to a recent study conducted by the Economic Journal, those who read business books earn 21% more than those who don't. But here's the truth that most rich people won't admit. You don't have to read the entire thing. You see, if you're bored, you're not going to pick up a book and just read it. It's not rewarding enough. It's not motivating enough. Instead, you will start by only reading the summary to see if the book has the information you need today. If it does, then you will read the chapters and see which chapters apply to you for what you need to accomplish today. What's going to happen is you're not only going to consume power information that will make you richer, you're going to do it in an efficient way that's also going to be motivating to want to pursue new information that's valuable to you at your current state. It is the best hack for people that are bored and don't want to read an entire book. Within 100 days, you could technically go through and receive the most valuable information from 100 different books. You could read a book a day. Number 6, make money instantly with the 12-12-12 method. This is a decluttering method that you can do the next time that you're bored that will also make you money. During a study published by the Social Science Network, researchers gathered 101 female participants and they put them into 2 groups. One group was placed in a cluttered environment, with the second group placed in a tidy environment. Both groups were then asked questions while being offered snacks to eat. Those who were placed in a messy environment ate 103 calories versus those who were placed in a tidy environment only ate 38 calories. This proves that a cluttered environment leads to impulsive decision making. So, you're going to use the 12-12-12 method to organize your room, declutter your mind, and earn some money. All you need to do is go to your room and find 12 items you want to sell and 12 items you want to put for rent. You will take the 12 items you want to sell and sell them on marketplaces like Grailed, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace. Take the 12 items you want to rent and place them on marketplaces that allows you to rent clothes for a designated time while you get paid while others wear your clothes. And so far, I've shown you 3 activities you can do to improve your physical, 3 activities you can do to improve your finances. And now, I'm going to show you 3 activities you can do to improve your mental strength. Number 7, take a personality test to understand your strengths and weaknesses. A lot of men think that they understand themselves, that they know their strengths and they know their weaknesses. Most of them are wrong. The next time you're bored, I want you to take the 16 personality tests that over 88% of Fortune 500 CEOs take themselves to better understand themselves and be high performers. Then you will operate like a high performer. You're going to identify your top 5 weaknesses for your specific personality and work on reducing their impact on your life. For example, let's say the test determines that impulsivity is one of your weaknesses. Well, you will then research impulsivity, figure out how to stop impulsivity, and by doing so, you will turn your 5 biggest weaknesses into strength, making you unstoppable and developing mental strength. 8, create time capsule videos to get you through tough times. Growth is hard for the human brain to understand, which means no matter what you achieve, you'll always want to push for more. So I'm going to show you how to fix that by creating time capsule videos. First, Sit down in front of a camera. You will address a camera, it could be your iPhone, as though you are talking to a weakened version of yourself. I want you to highlight everything you have achieved, every struggle you've made it through, and then remind yourself of what the goal is. I do this on a monthly basis. It's almost like my personal journal. But what happens is, it's more powerful than a journal. Because when you've been going through days, weeks, or months that are hard, you're consistent, and you feel like you've seen no progress, you can always go back to these videos to remind myself, what's my purpose? What's my ultimate goal? And how far have I come? This also becomes a great time capsule. I literally have a whole hard drive with hundreds of videos that I've done of myself, of every struggle and trial that I faced. So now when I go back and see them, I laugh because I realized I was able to overcome them. You are just as powerful, and if you document it, you'll be able to see that. 9. Attend random meetups to build confidence. You see, most people are bored on the weekend with nothing to do, which leads them to just staying in every single weekend. But you have to understand, you'll never improve. You'll never get better at talking to girls or meeting new people if all you do is stay in your room. And before you say, well, I don't get invited anywhere, you have to create your own destiny. You have to take control. Remember, I've said this before, no one's coming to save you, but you can save yourself. You're going to sign up to a platform like Meetup or LinkedIn, and then you're going to find local events in your area. Then create a list of events that are happening Friday nights or Saturday nights. Rank them depending on what you want to attend, and then you will force yourself to attend at least one of these every week. By doing this, you no longer will be bored. You will also become comfortable with being uncomfortable, diversify your friendships, and also boost your confidence and knowledge. So next time you're bored, I want you to pull this video out, do all 9 things that I just showed you that are simple to do and will level you up across your physical, across your financial, and across your mental well-being. If you guys want to continue to level up, I'll leave you 2 more videos here. See you boys next time.